Hi everyone! Ever wondered which AI upscaler makes your anime footage look the best? In this video, we're comparing HitPaw VikPea and AVCLabs Video Enhancer AI, two of the most popular tools that promise to turn blurry old clips into crystal clear high quality. Now let's start with HitPaw VikPea. The workflow is simple. Just import your clip, choose the animation enhancement model, and then preview it. The result looks clearer, with smoother edges, but sometimes the color tone feels a bit washed out or over-softened. Now let's try AVCLabs Video Enhancer AI. Import your clips first and select Upscale to 4K. Then choose anime model like HitPaw. Apart from the upscaling feature, AVCLabs gives you built-in video adjustment tools. You can fine-tune brightness, contrast, saturation, and sharpness before enhancing. This helps you adjust the light and tone to fit your anime style. No need for extra editing software. The result looks sharper with cleaner lines and better color balance. So, if you're just looking for quick upscaling, HitPaw works fine, but if you want control, clarity, and cinematic quality, AVCLabs Video Enhancer is definitely the better choice.